Hey guys, welcome back to math class. Today we are looking at inequalities with variables on both sides of that inequality sign. So what we're going to be doing is kind of like when we did equations with variables on both sides. But this time, instead of an equal sign, we're going to have an inequality symbol, which is those less thans, greater thans, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. All right, so let's look at an example because you've already practiced with writing this. So if I have 4 less than 3 times a number is greater than 2 times the number minus 1. Now, I know you probably don't want to write that down. Humor me, write it down because we're going to dissect it. So first, I want to identify that a number piece. So this a number, the number, that's going to be my x value. So when it says a number, I'm thinking x. The other one I'm keying into is this is greater than. Is greater than. Now, does that say greater than or equal to? No. So I know that that's going to mean this sign, greater than. And now I've got this beginning part. 4 less than, and then 3 times a number. So we have 4 less than, and then 3 times a number. Remember when we talked about less than? What do I need to do here? 4 less than 3 times a number. Is that going to be 4 minus 3x or 3x minus 4? It is 3x minus 4 because remember when it says less than, we make it a minus 4 instead of 4 minus. And then is greater than, so there's my greater than sign. And now I've got 2 times the number. So I have 2 times the number. 2 times the number. How would you write 2 times the number? 2x. And then minus 1. You'd subtract 1. So there's my inequality with variables on both sides. And now we're going to solve it like we solve an equation. So I'm going to divide my piece in 2. Now remember, just like with equations, there's lots of ways you can solve this. I'm going to try to pick the path of least resistance. So first I want to cancel out my variables. I can either subtract 2x from both sides or 3x's. I'm going to subtract 2x's from both sides because that leaves me with a positive x and then a negative 1 over here. Now what move do I need to make? I need to add 4 to both sides. So those cancel. I'm left with just x. And then what is negative 1 plus 4? Positive 3. Now, the last thing I need to do, I need to look over my work. At any point while I was solving, did I multiply or divide by a negative number on both sides? I did not. So I am going to keep the same inequality symbol. Now I need to graph it. So the middle number is going to be 3. What's 1 more than 3? 4, and 1 less than 3? 2. Is this open or closed circle? Open circle. So open on 3. And then let's plug in 2. Is 2 greater than 3? I'm using this. Is 2 greater than 3? No. Is 4 greater than 3? Yes. So do I shade to the right or do I shade to the left? I need to shade to the right here. Let me shade this way, like that. All right, I think you guys are ready to practice. It's just like solving equations. We're just taking our equation knowledge and merging it with our inequality knowledge. Make sure to remember, if you multiply or divide by a negative on both sides, you have to flip your inequality over. Good luck practicing. I will see you guys next time.